There's a few different ways to save phone numbers on your Android phone, and I'll show you all the ways to do it, whether you have the number in your recent calls or written on a piece of paper. One way to do this is directly in the phone app, and this is the way to do it if you've recently had a call with someone and now you'd like to save their number. First, we'll want to make sure we're looking at the Recent Calls tab on the bottom. Then from the list of recent calls, you'll locate the number you're looking to save. Tap that and you'll see a few options pop up. We're going to tap Add to Contacts, and my phone will ask if I'd like to create a new contact or update an existing contact in case one of my existing contacts got a new number or something like that. I'm going to create a new contact and then give it a name. One important part here that people sometimes miss is the ability to choose where this number is saved. On my Samsung phone, I have a little menu hiding in the top left corner. If I tap that, I can choose where this number gets saved. I can save it to my Samsung account, locally on my phone or on my SIM card, or I can choose to save it under my Google account. The risk of saving numbers on the phone or SIM is that if you lose your phone, your saved numbers are gone as well. Google account, for example, will always have them in the cloud, so besides just saving the numbers, it'll keep a backup copy of them in the cloud. Not all phones give you the option to choose the location, and if you're using something like a Google Pixel phone, those will save numbers automatically under your Google account. Once you're done adding details to your contact, you'll simply hit Save, and you're all set. Now you'll see that number under the person's name in your phone app, and you can find it in the contact list. If you've been texting with someone and want to save their number, that's also easy. Go to the Messages app, long press the conversation or the number you'd like to save, and then tap the three dots in the top right corner and choose Add Contact. Then just follow the same steps I just showed, and don't forget to choose where the number gets saved, hopefully in the cloud. Lastly, if you have a number written on a piece of paper and you want to save it, we can do that in the Contacts app. Swipe up to reveal your app drawer and find the Contacts app. The app icon could look different depending on what type of Android phone you're using. Once you're in the Contacts app, you should see a plus icon somewhere on your screen. Tap that and the same contact creation page opens up. This time, we're not just going to type the name, but you will also manually type the phone number here. You can add a lot more info to your contacts as well, everything from email to addresses, but those are optional. And that's how you save numbers. Click that like button if this helped, subscribe for more, and I'll see you all in another video.